Our family-owned business at Mahoe Sawmills has been building sawmills now for 35 years and firewood machines. But we started off as sawmillers over 50 years ago, and we're still operating sawmills to this day. Show you around the timber yard. We still operate 50 years down the track. All this timber you see is cut on Mahoe Sawmills. We're sawmillers who design sawmills. Here we have kilns for drying timber, machines for machining timber into finished product,